So in this Wealthsimple tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to buy Walmart stock, ticker symbol WMT in Canada, here on Wealthsimple. So once you have Wealthsimple open up on your device, go to the bottom, press on the magnifying glass at the bottom to open up the Discover tab. Once you're here, go to the top and press on the search bar. Then once you're here, simply just type in ticker symbol WMT for Walmart. So as you can tell, the top option here is Walmart. Press on that right there. Now to purchase, shares of Walmart, go to where it says buy at the bottom, and then press on where it says stocks. Now on this screen, we actually do have the fractional buy option, but if you wanted to change that into a different option, press on fractional buy, and you have market buy, limit buy, stop limit buy, whatever you want. If you want to select whatever one, just go ahead and do so. But for this demonstration, we're just going to go ahead and press on $1 right here. This also is $1 USD, so there will be a conversion to Canadian once that is done. So I'll press on continue. So now on this screen, to confirm your purchase, just go to the bottom, press on confirm order. But as you can tell, the cost of this is $1 USD, which actually is $1.36 Canadian, according to this exchange rate and transaction. So that is how you guys can buy Walmart stock, ticker symbol WMT in Canada, here on Wealthsimple. And I hope this video helps.